a lot, like a shit ton of new growth. This is for half, so another half will be like this. Then I don't even know, my hair broke the cotton comb. This was once a complete piece. So hi guys, today's video is a nasty nasty ass 3-month-old braid takedown. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll put for natural hair, beauty and lifestyle content. And if you're to my channel, welcome back home. This video is going to be taking down my braids, and yeah, my name is Ukachi. I forgot to say that at the beginning. My name is Ukachi, so please consider subscribing. I'm coming to you from Nigeria. I have a lot of Americans watching me actually, so yeah, I had to just add that Nigeria to the world. Okay, so please consider subscribing to my channel, and let us get right into the video. Guys, so this hair is actually going to its 12th. I'm going to show you guys how my hair looked like at the beginning of the braids. I'm going to set a clip here, and then now this is my hair now. I have a lot of new growth, a lot, like a shit ton of new growth. I actually just did wash it like a few days ago, so like my scalp is still very clean. These are my edges. My edges actually grew out a lot with these braids on both sides. Ooh, grew out a lot. So I'm going to be using quite a number of stuff for this to take it down. Obviously, things we need: scissors to cut off the blunt ends, to loosen it. I don't have that my sharp comb anymore. Then a spray bottle. Let me get it. Spray bottle with rose water and regular water. The rose water is for all of my locks actually. I'm not using it, but I don't want to pour it out. Okay, and then this from a brand called Beautiful Textures. It is their curl definer styling custard. I don't have a leave-in conditioner, but this actually is water based, and it's such a very good jelly for my roots that will have build up or anything of that nature. Yeah, this actually works. It's such a wonderful product. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off camera and come back to continue. Okay. I'm actually half done with my hair. If I say I'm not tired, I'm a liar. I've spent 4 hours taking down just one side. It's going to take me another 4 hours to take down this side. I'm just fed up, and the sun is going down. It's already 5:30. But we move. Okay, let me look for a rubber band. I don't even know, my hair broke the cotton comb. This was once a complete piece. Now I have 3 pieces. Wahala. It's giving me dry, it's giving me puffy, it's giving me everything I don't want it to give me. It's giving me shedding. Guys, if you see the shed, let me show you guys. This is for half. So another half will be like this. Then Chinekena. Let me just go ahead and I was just to show you guys how I'm using the front on camera. Probably later in the night. I'll probably using this on camera because yeah, let's go. So yeah, we're already in the front. So first thing we do, guys, we have to cut it. There's some point I was cutting my hair because I was tired. Don't be like me, oh. Find where your hair stops and just cut after it. I cut my hair in a lot of places, but I didn't mind. It's just hair to grow back. So right now I'm just applying the product. I'm applying the curl definer, guys. This thing is so slippery. It has such a bomb slipper. You can see how I applied it along the entire length of the braids. So right now I'm just going in with the cotton comb. I'm just going just trying to loosen it because the curl definer has already made it very soft. It has made it so soft. So I'm just going in and just going in with my comb and sectioning and removing and loosening, guys. If you hate loosening your hair, just tell me in the comments. I hate this, guys. I hate it. So now we're towards the root. So towards the root, you have to be a little bit more careful. I know that since it's knotless braids, you can see that they added attachments. You get that kind of vibe. So I'll try to just get out all the attachment that they added. I'm taking you guys so close to see my hair up close. So now I'm losing the actual braid of my hair. Now you can see the build up. So what do? We apply a little more product. Please don't go in there dry. You're going to end up scattering your hair. So I'm going in with the product. I'm just trying to detangle with my fingers. Apply a lot. Don't be stingy with your products. Be generous. Give, and I shall be giving onto you. Okay, so I'm applying it, and you can see that I've taken out all the excess shedding. Look at the shedding for just that one. But I really did not mind. So my scalp is actually very clean at this point. But we move. So now towards the second to the last one. I'm sorry that I'm filming in this ratio. I forgot to film in the normal YouTube size. Because you know how like when you're recording and you're losing your hair, it's like the worst combo. Like, oh my lord. So we're doing the same thing for this one. This one even has a lot more build than the other one. So what do? Apply the product and massage it in. Apply and massage, then we can start going. You can even say I'm even applying a little more. Then you just go and start trying to like detangle it with your fingers before you go in with a comb. Okay. Please don't go in there dry. You're going to like cause your hair a lot of damage and it's just unnecessary. Okay, so you can see my scalp is doing very well, and I'm going to go in with this Afro comb because that's actually the only comb I think it's the only comb I own at the moment. So we move. Yeah, I'm just combing it and you can see the inches. Yeah, so we're going towards the last one now. You guys can see that I'm visibly very happy. I was very sad throughout losing this hair because I was just tired. I'm like, what did I sign up for? But towards the front, the last one, hey, I was happy. Oh, I'm free because I was like, if I don't losing this hair, I had an event, so I had to like take it down. And I'd already losing half. I'm like, can I just go and do the half back? Let me go and do the half back, please. So I'm doing the same thing for this one in the front. I'm just trying to take out the excess at the root, the build up at the root. So what do? Apply the curl definer. You can use leave-in conditioner, you can use oil, you can use shea butter, but for me, this curl definer is the life. It is the truth, guys. It is everything and more. And it was very affordable. So I'm just doing the same process here, the same procedure. What do? Apply and then try to detangle. Apply, then try to detangle. Apply, then try to detangle. Don't just go in and detangle, okay? So right now I'm trying to move all the shed hairs, and you can see the shedding for this one. My hair actually shed a lot in the front because that's where like most of the tension was. Okay, so right now I'm just combing everything together, detangling everything, and you can see some inches though. I need a trim, but yeah, at this point I was done detangling my entire head of hair. I'm just going to just comb again and again. Forget that my face is like that though. It's not that painful. I'm just extra dramatic. I'm just too dramatic. Okay. So I'm just combing my hair, trying to get out any one I missed out at the roots. I actually had a lot of shedding, guys, but I did not mind. We're going to have a shedding challenge, so we move. So at this point, I was already done with my hair. So like the next day, I think it was like the next like 3 or 4 days actually, I did wash day. You can see I'm detangling and deep conditioning and all that good stuff. Your girl's hair was thriving. Your girl's hair was thriving, guys. I was just so expect this detangling, this deep conditioning video rather later on this month of March. Oh, please, it's gonna come out in March. Okay, so expect it. It's going to be a deep condition and chill video. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Subscribe to my channel. Oh, when you join to 10K, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to faith it till you make it.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like me to call her. She say she like up man, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like me to call her. She say she like up man.